Good morning, Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com. On Thursday the 14th of November, we're looking at the yen this week, dollar yen. Yesterday we came lower, as we'd expected we would. We initially broke above this longer term trend line, which goes back to May of this year. That's the most significant thing of the week. We headed straight to our target of 99.75, where we thought we'd probably come to a halt and drift lower, and we did yesterday. We got back to the 99.10 area, which was pretty much where we expected the low of the day to be, and that was our buying opportunity. It worked quite nicely. We've rocketed higher. We are getting a bit overbought, but there's still some upside now, and I think we can push through that 99.75.80 area today. So we'll have a look at a shorter term chart just to try and get a clearer picture. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. You can see yesterday we had a good Fibonacci support around 99.10, which we got as low as 99.08. I think 99.15.10 was our target for covering our shorts. That worked really, really well. If you got long there, that also worked extremely well. You can see the trend line worked, you can see the Fibonacci support worked, and we've rocketed straight back up to 99.80. If this holds, we've got a bit of a double top in the very short term, and that would risk coming back to 99.00 and even as far as 98.40. I think more likely we actually push higher now. I think we continue this uptrend. The break above that longer term trend line from May this year, I think, is the most significant event of the week. So I think we've got to stick with the bulls, stick with this recent uptrend over the last 2-3 weeks, and see if we can push through 99.80 and head on for the 100 level, possibly even go through there to 130, 160 even would be our ultimate target for this move. As I said, if we don't get through 99.80, that's going to be a short-term problem. That's going to be a short-term double top in a market that is quite overbought. You are getting a little bit of divergence on the 4-hour stochastics, and the MACD is not positive either. So this is a risk. You've got to be careful. And if we do start to drift lower, then it's going to signal the double top is complete, and we're going to head towards that 99.15, 99.10 area again. Just going forward, perhaps into next week, if that does break, then I think we'll probably see 98.70 and possibly as far as 98.45 area, but we'll worry about that a bit nearer the time. Seems like the outlook for today. So 99.75, 99.80 is pretty crucial and will determine direction into the end of the week. Thanks very much. I'm Jason Sen from daytradeideas.com.